Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy, Lewis, back at you with another video. Just wanted to make a quick video, a little review, I guess, on this new item that I just picked up on Amazon. It's a spill-proof funnel kit. I've seen these videos on YouTube on it, and I wanted to, get my hands on one, give it a try, and see what it is all about. Everything inside is pretty well made. These are all aluminum parts, gaskets. Everything, it seems very well made. Definitely like it so far. So just wanted to make a quick video. I'm gonna try to burp the cooling system on my Jeep. Not that I think it has any air in it, in the system itself, but just figured I'd give it a try. Just now that I have it, it's a beautiful day out. I also had mentioned in my previous video I have an override for the coolant fan, and well, that's that button right here. Let me turn it on. Maybe you guys can hear it. Not sure if you can, but that's that override button right there for the fan. Yes, I have rock lights, kind of cheesy, but hey, it is what it is. And yeah, let's get right to it. So I have everything pretty much set up here. Got the funnel kit. I got all the adapters mounted up. Very tight fit, which is good. I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up. Not that I think it makes a difference, but I'm gonna open up this little lid on the coolant reservoir, and I'll give it a turn of the key. But first, let me go ahead and fill her up real quick. All right, let me go ahead and turn the key over. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key over. All right, no check engine light. It does have 2,000, but she is running strong, which is good. All right, another thing I did want to mention is definitely turn the heat on full blast. So let's go ahead and turn the heat on. Ready? Want to make sure that it circulates through the heater core. Alrighty, guys, so it's pretty much at running temperature. Just about. So we'll see if it lets off a few burps here and there. Just trying to see if hopefully the thermostat opens up. Hopefully I get some burps filmed here so you guys can see. Let's go ahead and give it a little rev. so I finished attempting to burp the coolant system. Not a whole lot of bubbles came out, to be honest, which I figured. So, I'm happy with the purchase. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the coolant fans on, just so you guys can see it. So there it is, turned on. I'm gonna allow this to just cool down a little bit before I remove it. Don't want to burn myself. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this off, finish the video here. Just want to thank everybody for watching. Those who like, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. Try to keep making some more videos, not just on the Jeep. Again, I have guns, rifles that I own. Definitely would want to make eventually some videos at the shooting range once everything is back up and running, due to this whole pandemic and whatnot. But just want to again thank you guys for watching. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Bye bye.